Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your post on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Instagram application in your mobile. Now tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and head over to your profile. Now you can see all the posts here. If you don't have the post, what you can do is simply upload a new post by tapping on this plus icon, and you can easily post anything, photo or video, whatever you want. Now to boost a post on Instagram, what you need to do is simply tap on the post that you want to boost. As you can see, I have couple of my pictures here. Simply open up the post that you want to boost, and at the bottom of your post you will find this blue option, boost post. Simply tap on this boost post here, and here it will ask you to boost without music or boost other content. So I'm going for this without music. Now it will ask you to select a goal. What results would you like from this ad? Get people to explore content on your profile. People learn more about your profile or more messages. Start conversation with potential customers, whatever you want. Simply tap on it and tap on next. Now it will ask you to select the targeted audience. You can select ad category. If you want, you can select automatic, or you can select create your own manually. Then tap on next, and now you can add your budget here, and then simply tap on next. You can keep the duration as well, and then you can review the ad, all these things. And if you are okay, simply tap on this boost post and your post will be boosted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.